Let's see what else we got. Spicy J with the Jack Garfield coming on. It's good to see you. Hey, Matt, I remember you talking about Mark, the fitness monster, in your older videos. Yes, the calisthenics master. He was awesome. Wondering how he would have known that his good reps were good enough for an effective stimulus. Did he keep a log? Not that I know of. I don't think he kept a log. But one of the ideas that I've kind of been mulling over in the back of my mind, and this is just a new theory that I've been working on, is that when we are making our training objective primarily about proficiency, we may not need that much of a tracking system. Okay, so again, case in point, I've been doing Taekwondo for 35 years. I've been getting better at it to some degree the entire time. And I've never kept a training log for my martial arts training, but I still got better at it. And the primary thing that makes you improve your training is, again, as I was explaining earlier, progression is key. I don't care how hard you're working. I don't care what your formula is. I don't care what your workout looks like. Your goal with your training is, I want to be doing this thing better. And the entire point of keeping a log for whatever training endeavor that you have is you're basically recording and assessing what you're doing and looking for opportunities to do things better. Like, okay, I'm looking at the data, I'm looking at the numbers. Okay, so the next time you work out, like, what am I trying to do? Where am I trying to make my progress in this session or during this week or whatever? Now, do you need a log to do that? Not necessarily. If you are going into your training sessions with at least an idea of, I'm trying to do more reps, I'm trying to do better technique, I'm trying to improve my range of motion. If your mindset and your focus is on proficiency, I want to do this thing better, that alone may be enough to still drive you forward to keep improving things. Because usually when you find someone with great results, you have someone with a great degree of proficiency. And Mark, as memory serves me, it's been a long time, had an amazing amount of proficiency in the exercises that he practiced. He was extremely talented as a calisthenics athlete. So you don't get there just through hard work of trying to say, I'm going to do 100 push-ups. You get there by saying, I'm trying to do this thing better. I'm trying to do this with a higher degree of performance. And if your focus and intent is just on that alone, you probably already have the clarity and you're looking for the opportunities in your sets and your reps to spot those abilities to say, I could probably get the bit deeper range of motion with these push-ups. He would do push-ups with his feet slightly elevated. So he's like, if I put my feet slightly elevated, I can get a little bit more of a weight on my hands and whatnot. So just finding those opportunities is the primary driver of progression. And that alone probably is what propelled him forward. He probably didn't need a log.